Imagine for a moment that you are not a human being at all. Instead, picture yourself as a vast living planet, a teeming world made up of approximately 40 trillion cells. That number is almost unimaginable. If each cell were the size of a person, your planetary body would be as immense as 20 Mount Everests stacked side by side. Within this universe of flesh, blood, and bone, an entire ecosystem thrives. To the trillions of microscopic organisms that call your body home, you are their Earth, a place rich in resources, full of warmth and shelter, and the perfect spot to settle down, multiply, and raise countless families. But this planet is under constant siege. While some inhabitants are friendly, helpful bacteria that aid digestion or keep your skin healthy, most are not. Every day, hostile invaders breach your borders, seeking to steal your resources, damage your infrastructure, and, if given the chance, take over entirely. Standing guard against these relentless threats is your immune system, the tireless protector of your planetary body. It is the guardian at your gates, the watchful sentinel that never truly sleeps. Here's the challenge. Your enemies in the microscopic world possess a tremendous advantage. Think about what it takes for you, as a human, to make a copy of yourself. First, you must find another person, fall in love, navigate the complexities of dating, and if all goes well, 2 cells will merge. Then it takes months for that single cell to divide and multiply until a tiny version of you is born. Even then, years must pass before this small copy grows into a fully functioning adult. Now contrast this with your adversaries. A single bacterium, just one cell, can make a complete copy of itself in about 30 minutes. Viruses are even more ruthless. Within hours, one virus can hijack your cells and turn itself into hundreds of copies. In just a few days, it can multiply into billions. These foes breed at an astonishing rate, evolving and adapting in real time. Every generation is a roll of the genetic dice, and with so many chances, eventually, one will develop the perfect mutation to slip past your defenses and wreak havoc. It seems like an impossible battle. You, the planet, lumbering and slow. Your enemies, swift and ever-changing. Yet despite these odds, you survive. Why? Because your immune system is one of the most astonishing creations in the universe. Only the human brain is more complex. So intricate is your immune system that science has yet to uncover all its secrets. But at its core, your immune system is divided into 2 powerful forces, the innate and the adaptive. From the moment you are born, your innate immune system is on duty. It's made up of frontline defenders, cells that patrol your body, attacking anything unfamiliar. These are your rapid response troops, always ready, always vigilant. But your most potent weapons are the elite forces of your adaptive immune system, the T cells and B cells. These specialists take longer to mobilize, but when they do, their precision and power are unmatched. What gives your adaptive immune system its edge is nothing less than the largest biological library in the universe, a vast collection of molecular blueprints and battle plans. At this very moment, you possess immune cells that can recognize and destroy threats as ancient as the Black Death or as new as the next pandemic. You even have cells prepared to fight bacteria that might not evolve for another 100 years, perhaps on Mars. This adaptability is how you keep up with the rapid evolution of bacteria and viruses. But how does this extraordinary system work? To understand, you must first recognize that all life is built from proteins, the intricate molecules that form the structures and machinery of cells. Proteins come in billions of shapes, like 3-dimensional puzzle pieces. Your enemies, bacteria, viruses, fungi, use these protein pieces to build their bodies and invade yours. To your immune system, proteins are the language of the microscopic world. Cells don't see or hear. They sense, by touch, the shapes and surfaces of these protein puzzles. Your immune cells are covered with thousands of tiny receptors, each capable of recognizing a specific protein configuration. When a receptor fits like a key into a lock, your cell knows it has found a potential invader or a friend. The challenge is staggering. With billions of possible protein shapes, how can your immune system recognize them all? The answer lies in genetic shuffling. Your adaptive immune cells can rearrange segments of their DNA, creating an almost limitless variety of receptors. Imagine a team of chefs, each mixing and matching ingredients to invent new recipes. With just 100 different ingredients, they could create billions of unique dishes. Your immune cells do the same, combining and recombining gene fragments to produce a staggering arsenal of receptors. But with great power comes great risk. If your immune system can manufacture weapons against every possible protein, some will inevitably target your own body. To prevent this, you have a special organ, the thymus, your immune system's university. Here, young immune cells are tested. They are exposed to every protein that makes up your body. If they react aggressively, they are ordered to self-destruct. Only those that can distinguish friend from foe are allowed to graduate and take up their posts as elite defenders. The process is ruthless. 98% of these students fail and are destroyed. Only the best 2% survive. Thanks to this process, you are protected by an army of billions of unique immune cells, each with a specific mission, ready to recognize and destroy almost any invader the universe can throw at you. This is why, despite the odds, you remain healthy most of the time. But if your immune system is so powerful, why do we still get sick? Why did diseases like COVID-19 sweep the globe? And how do vaccines train your immune system, making it even stronger and more prepared? The battle inside your planetary body is ongoing, a never-ending arms race between life and destruction. Your immune system is a marvel, complex, adaptable, and endlessly fascinating. Understanding how it works is more important now than ever. It's a journey into the hidden world beneath your skin, a story of survival, adaptation, and the ceaseless struggle to protect your world, yourself, from the countless dangers that lurk just beyond the horizon. Did you find our videos helpful? Please like and subscribe to our channel so we can be motivated to answer the questions that people are still wondering about.